Alright, this is a test, and what I'm going to try to find out is if plants literally create atoms as they grow. Now, the current theory is that they suck up things from the dirt, and they suck up carbon dioxide, all this business, and they just use all that stuff. They shuffle around a bunch of little atoms, and they end up growing a bunch of biomass, and I don't particularly agree with that. And a guy put a bunch of a little plant in a bottle 50 years ago or something, plugged it up tighter than could be, never fed it, fed it water one time, and then that was it for like, I don't know, 30, 40 years, something like that. And the damn thing grew full inside, and I know that life limits itself to its available conditions. So I think that plant would have grown, anyway. I'm doing it this way. And what I got is, it's the 2nd of August, 2016. I have a digital scale which weighs out to 0.005 pounds. You see the way that thing flashes? That's not one of those digits is on at the same time. It goes this one, then this one, then this one, then this one. That's the way these things work, but you never see that because you can't see it fast enough. Anyway, what I'm going to do, so that's the date. This is the scale. I have some pinto beans here. See? I'm going to plant them in this jug. Now, after I plant them in the jug, I'm going to seal it up with some petroleum jelly, and then, well, first of all, I'm going to put some Teflon tape around the inside, and seal it up with petroleum jelly, and then I'm going to put the top on, and then I'm going to very, very carefully make sure that it's sealed with a masking tape. And when I'm done, I should be able to squeeze this thing, and there will be no movement of air outside of there, and then it will rain on itself and it will grow. So we're starting it today, 8/2/16. I'll put in the sealed weight once I get done, after I do all this business, and then I'm going to start posting these, I don't know, weekly or something as it grows. And we're going to see if this thing adds weight. Now, the key is, if it does add any weight at all, the only possible way that it can add weight is to increase its matter inside. And the matter inside is only possible to be increased by creating new atoms. You don't expand the atoms in, they don't grow like fat atoms or anything. You have to make new atoms. Now, when you make those new atoms, how'd that happen? Well, I'm saying that the light that's coming through the air from stars and so forth is literally the animating life force of the universe. And, if you're religious or you want to talk in religious terms, you can call it the breath of God. And it is the only thing that makes things grow, and everything that it touches grows. I don't care if it's dirt, or it's the planet, or it's earth, or it's plants. They have weight when they come to us, and then when they come to us as dark energy when they're passing through the vacuum of space. This is my theory, and it's almost impossible to dispute it. And if I'm correct, what's going to happen is that light, as it hits things in life that say, okay, I can use you guys, come on over here, we're going to build some atoms. We're literally going to build atoms. So what do you need? I need some calcium. How about you over here? Well, there's a little chlorophyll here and there. I need some oxygen. You're going to have to make some hydrogen. There's all that stuff. And, they say all this stuff comes from stars. I'm not buying it. We'll find out. All right, this is it. We're going to weigh it now. It's all sealed up as tight can be. Now, you can see this is a 3-position scale, but the last position to the right only goes it goes 0.005 by pounds. So it was used in deli scales. I used to sell these things. Anyway, it's pretty sensitive. Like this little washer, if I throw it on there, it weighs 1/100 of a pound. So we'll be able to tell when this thing starts to gain weight. So it's on here, and I've affirmed that it is as solid as can be. If I squish it as hard as I can squish it, no air is going to come out of it. Now, we got 3.215 is the weight. See that? 3.215. 3.215. If it gains a little weight, it's going to go to 3.225. Alright, so let's see what happens over the course of time. Today is the 2nd of August, and I'm going to write this weight 3.215, and off to the races we go.